Hello my friends, how are you today? So I've finished building the Miniart Stug. So this is the April 1943 production version, and it's the exterior only version, so there's no interior to it. So I've basically got it all built and put together, and it was a great build. But there's a lot of complexity in it, as you can see. You know, all the clips for the tools, the photo etch. You will have to supply your own cable for the tow cables. They don't supply anything at all. That looks really cool, doesn't it? But it comes up really nice. It goes together very well. I'm gonna have to lock the gun in place. It's a bit floppy and, you know, sort of goes all over the place. So I'm gonna have to lock that in place, choose a position and put it in. But yeah, it comes out all over the place. I'm gonna have to work that out like that. One of the smoke discharges went missing, so I had to put an empty one on. But it's a really good rendition of an early Stug. I'm gonna keep it nice and basically and simples like that. But I've just got to add 2 antennas, and I've got to add the machine gun thing here, but I'm just going to paint up the base first, and then we'll put them on a bit later. We'll paint them separately. I'm just going to paint the base first, because you don't want big antennas sticking up while you have this upside down. But yeah, it came up really well. You can see. So I really was impressed with this build, and the amount of detail, like all the printed words on the parts and stuff, like there's all these numbers and stuff. You'll be able to see better when it gets painted. But yeah, high amount of detail. This is a very nice Sternbischof. It's very expensive, it's very time consuming to build, but the end result is well worth it. So I'm just going to give it, because it's got so much metal on the thing, I'm going to give it this as a primer, so etch primer. And then we can start painting it. I'll just paint the base first, so we'll turn it upside down and get the underneath painted. And then we can paint the thing. I haven't even chosen what kind of camo I'm going to do or anything like that, so work that all out now. But yeah, it's good that it's finished. I've also got a couple of new kits, so I've got Repairing on the Road, and I got the Bulgarian Panzer IV, which will be really cool. Got these on a discount, so both of these I got for 90 Australian dollars, so it's pretty well and decent. So we can have a look at those at some point. They're really cool little kits. And that's about it. That's what's going on. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again soon, and I hope you like the Miniart Stug. They're really good, they're really nice. I've done another Miniart Stug. I did the O series a while ago, and that's that one there. This one came up alright as well. But you see it's got the 8 road wheels and the different suspension, but that's a much older one by Miniart. Vast difference between the first Stug and the G version. So that's what's going on. Heaps of differences. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.